Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft error FOTV9F. Something went wrong. So first of all, you just need to open services. After you're in system services, you just need to scroll down and find M. So you wanna come across this Microsoft account sign in assistant. So here it is. So what you need to do is double click on it. A window will pop up. You need to head over to startup type, make it automatic, and make sure it's running. So click on apply and OK. And now again go to the same option, right click on it and click on restart. So it will start restarting. And now try if this fix works. So if it doesn't, then just restart your computer and try it again. You need to make sure that this is automatic and it's still running. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.